Hello to all. I am Smriti Verma of 10th B in Arya Bal Bharati Public School. I am going to explain you about the human respiratory system with the help of this model. Human respiratory system. The main organ for the human respiratory system are nose, nostrils, nasal passage, larynx, trachea, lungs, ribs, alveoli, diaphragm and bronchi. Human respiratory system begins from the nose. Our nose has two holes called nostrils. There is a passage in the nose behind the nostril which is called nasal passage, or we can say nasal cavity. This passage separates from the mouth cavity. When air passes, the dust particles and other impurity present in it and are trapped by nasal air and mucus, so that clean air goes into the lungs. The part of the throat between the mouth and windpipe is called pharynx. Air enters into the pharynx and then goes into the windpipe. It does not collapse even when there is no air in it, because it is supported by rings of soft bones called cartilage. Here this is trachea and this is made up of C-shaped bones which are known as cartilages. Upper end of trachea has a voice box called larynx. Running down the neck, trachea divided into smaller tubes called bronchi at the lower end. Here are the bronchi. Two bronchi are connected to the two lungs. The lungs lie in the chest cavity, which is separated from abdominal cavity by a muscular partition called diaphragm. Lungs are covered by thin membrane called pleura. Lungs are enclosed in a rib cage made up of bones called ribs. Each bronchi divides in the lungs to form a large number of still smaller tubes called bronchi. They have balloon-like structured tiny sacs at their end called alveoli. Here are the alveoli. The walls of the alveoli are very thin and surrounded by very thin blood capillaries. These alveoli help in exchange of gases. When we breathe in, the diaphragm and muscles attached to the ribs contract and chest cavity expands. This expansion movement of the chest increases the volume inside the chest cavity. Due to this, air pressure decreases inside the chest cavity and air from outside rushes into the lungs through nostrils, trachea and bronchi. In this way, during the process of breathing in, the alveoli of the lungs get filled with air containing oxygen. These alveoli are surrounded by a very thin blood vessel called capillaries. So the oxygen of air diffuses out from alveoli into the blood. This oxygen combines with the digested food present in the cell to release energy and carbon dioxide. Gas is produced as a waste product, diffuses into the blood, and this blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lungs. When we breathe out, the diaphragm and the muscles attached to the ribs relax, due to which our chest cavity contracts and becomes smaller. This pushes out the carbon dioxide from the lungs into the trachea, nostril and then out of the body. So this is how the human respiratory system works. So hope you all got it. Thank you so much.